kind of whack weather we're having today. Got shot over here. Whoa. Whoa. What is this? Oh crap, that was a total fail. Jesus Christ, you know, not my luck today. Anyways, you guys, welcome back to the channel. We're bringing you another video right here. I just ordered a very, very cool thing for the Camaro, as you guys can see down here. I'll open it right now, but before that, I gotta tell you guys, you know, the weather we've been having lately is not the best to film videos, so excuse me if I'm lacking on videos if you guys actually want to see the videos, but, you know, let's go and install that. I'm not gonna say what it is. I mean, yeah, you guys can kind of see, but who cares? Let's open this little baby up so you guys can see. You know, the excitement kind of got me when I got it through the mail, but alright, we're gonna do this. Let's do this. Kind of harder to do it with one hand only, but ta-da, you guys, look at this beauty. Yeah, there you go. Yes, you guys, so we finally got the lip for the Camaro. It's carbon fiber. I got this from Extreme Online Store. Put a link in the description, you know, so that you guys can find one of these or another lip of your choice. But this is extremely cool, and you know, it's just beautiful, if I can say so myself. So yeah, you guys, without further ado, let me give you guys a little rundown of what's gonna be going on and how much the price of this lip is, as well as, you know, how to install it on this little baby right here. Okay, cool, you guys. So as I was saying, I got this from the Extreme Online Store. So it's around $400 with the shipping and all that. And it's real carbon fiber, and yeah, it should fit right onto your, you know, stock SS, I believe. I don't know if it fits onto the RS, you know, the LT and all those cars because of the different bumper, but you know, you can definitely ask them, send them a message. They're really cool people. They're on Instagram as well. And yeah, I mean, it looks like it's a very good quality, and what can I say? I really want to install it, so let's go and do that. I gotta start up the car and, you know, flip it around because it's about to start to rain, so let's go and do that. Alright, you guys, so let's get that cold start up on a stock LT1. It's super loud. So as we let the car warm up, I want to talk to you about that lip and, you know, how long it took to get here. So I ordered it 2 days ago from when you're watching this video. So yeah, that's pretty fast shipping, you know, and very good condition. Everything was in excellent condition. So as you guys know, the Camaro, stock Camaro, looks, it always seems like it just needs a lip. Like it should have came with the lip from the factory, which it didn't. So this is gonna add on to the, you know, aesthetic or looks of the car, and it's a Zl1 style lip, so it extends a little bit more than a stock 1LE SS lip, SS 1LE lip. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited, so let's get this built. Alright, you guys, so I also forgot to mention that I just recently got this tow hook. It's nothing expensive, you know, it's not the one from the Zl1 add-ons, but definitely looks way better than the stock tow hook. So yeah, I recommend you guys getting one of these if you own a 6th gen Camaro or any car that you honestly see with the tow hook. You know, get one of these. It looks amazing. Alright, you guys, so the first thing we gotta do is obviously jack the car up, but in my case we're gonna use some ramps because these cars are actually very delicate from the inside of that area, so I really don't want to use jacks and mess anything up. So we're instead, like I said, we're gonna use ramps, and to me that's a lot, you know, better for the car. It's a lot easier, more convenient for me, and it's a lot safer on your car as well. But as always, you guys gotta make sure you guys, you know, obviously put your parking brake. This is electronic, so you gotta, you know, pull the switch, or if you have a regular e-brake, you know, you pull the e-brake and secure the car. Also put jack stands on the bottom of your car, because it doesn't matter, you know, the car falls. It's better to have the car broken than yourself broken. Alright, you guys, so I have the car up on the ramps, and as you guys can see, it gives me the perfect clearance for me to work underneath the car, as well as, you know, I put the jack stand under the car for, obviously, you know, it's better to be safer in any situation. Always, you know, as safer you could be, the better. So yeah, now we're just gonna be installing the lip, and yeah, we'll take you through every step as far as, you know, the bolts. You're gonna need 3M tape for this, and you know, stuff like that. So let's get right onto it. Alright, you guys, so a quick little update. I'm gonna remove this little lip that's on the bottom of every stock SS, and the reason for that is simply because I just don't like the way it looks. And in order for you to do so, you gotta come down here, you gotta grab yourself a ratchet, a small ratchet with a 7mm socket, and there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 bolts that you need to undo. And obviously all you have to do is grab your ratchet and start loosening them up like that. As soon as you're done with all 5 of them, you should be good to go. Okay, you guys, so we have the carbon fiber lip right here, and if you take a look underneath the car, right around where the lip is gonna go attached, there's already bolts that go aligned with the bolts that they have made for you. So all you have to do basically is drill these, take these bolts off, and then basically just realign the lip to the car, install these same OEM bolts, and yeah, it should be pretty easy. Actually, one of the easiest things that could possibly be installed onto the Camaro. So without further ado, yeah, like I said, you know, drill these holes, take these out, and then once you align the lip here with 3M around right here, all you have to do is drill these back. Alright, you guys, so the lip is currently on the car, and as you can see, I have 3 bolts put on already, and we're just test aligning it. So as you guys can see over here, you have to buckle this in so that, you know, just like that, and it fits perfectly on the car. Perfect fitment. So shout out to Extreme Online Store for, you know, making such a good lip. But yeah, you guys, so the fitment is amazing, and like I said, all you have to do is align the holes and the bolts underneath, and you're all set to go. Alright, you guys, so we finally, almost give you guys a glance of what the car looks like. So we've just finished installing the lip, and let me tell you guys, it looks freaking amazing. I'm super excited to show you guys, but before that, we're gonna bring out the Mustang. We're gonna go and, you know, grab some rollers of this car with the new lip on. And yeah, you guys gotta subscribe, you know, like, comment, anything you guys liked about this video. If you guys like the lip, just let me know, you know, subscribe please. I need new subscribers. So with that being said, let me get a little drum roll and let me show you guys what the car looks like. So let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Yo, carbon fiber lip truss installed. Perfect fitment by Extreme Online. Put a link in the description to their page, obviously. But Jesus Christ, you know, this lip just looks way better than I imagined it, and I'm very happy with how it looks. It looks so aggressive. Very, very nice look. And like I was saying, you guys, it gives the car, you know, a more like it just sits at home, you know, like every Camaro should come like this stock from the factory. But you know, thank God there's companies out there that make lips now for it, and this in this case, this is a Zl1 style lip. So yeah, as you guys can see, amazing. Alright, you guys, so as I was saying, I can't stress this enough. You guys gotta subscribe to this channel because we're bringing a lot of content. You know, we got wheels, spoiler, lights, you know, etc., window tint, you know, stuff like that that we can include to this car. And you know, I'm just super excited to bring you guys brand new videos, brand new vlogs of how to do stuff, or of me, you know, just modifying the car as far as cosmetic mods, you know. But yeah, as I was saying, you guys, we're gonna bring the Mustang as well, because obviously, you know, that's not left behind. I have a brand new bumper for that, exhaust, and a lot of more stuff. I haven't had time due to my schedule, the rain, you know, all these factors. They just really play a big old toll on, you know, what I can do with the time, weather, and, you know, my cars. So yeah, without being said, let's go and grab the Mustang as well, and let's go get some rollers of these things. Be right back. Hey guys, we got the 01 Mustang as well. That shit looks pretty good if you ask me. So okay, we got both cars lined up. As of right now, we're gonna take them on the road, obviously get some roller shots of them, I'm gonna be driving the Mustang and my dad's gonna be driving the Camaro so I can get the rolling shots of it. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and do that.